Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. Let's see some beautiful crochet bottle cover designs model. A crochet bottle cover is a decorative and something functional sleeve that is handmade using crochet techniques to wrap around a bottle. It can be made for water bottles, glass jars, milk bottles, oil bottles, or decorative vases. A crochet bottle cover is made with yarn and a crochet hook, designed to fit snugly around a bottle. Often decorative but can also protect the bottle, reusable and eco-friendly. Why people use it? Decoration makes plain bottles look beautiful and stylish. For protection, adds a soft layer to prevent scratches. For illusion, thick yarn can help keep drinks cool or warm for a short time. For upcycling, turns old bottles into flower vases or kitchen decor pieces. That is such as a lovely project. To start with, crochet bottle covers are perfect for beginners, small, quick and very satisfying. Here are some tips for crochet bottle covers. Start with simple stitches. Use basic stitches like single crochet for tight and neat, great for water bottles. Half double crochet for slightly thicker and faster. Avoid complex lace patterns at first. Simple stitches look beautiful in farmhouse style anyway. Next, choose the right yarn. For beginners, use medium weight cotton yarn. Avoid very thin yarn, hard to control. Avoid floppy yarn, hard to see stitches. For farmhouse vibes, use cream, beige, soft gray, sheepskin, dusty shows. Cotton yarn is best for kitchen bottles because it is washable. Measure your bottle first. Before starting, measure the circumference around the bottle. Measure the height. Tip: make the cover slightly tight so it fits snugly. Start from the bottom. The easiest beginner method: make a magic ring or a small chain circle. Increase in rounds to create a flat circle. The base. Stop increasing when it matches the bottle base. Crochet straight up, no increases. For the body, this method gives a clean and professional look. Use stitch markers. Beginners often lose track of rounds. Use a stitch marker or safety pin to mark the first stitch that keeps your shape even. Keep it simple at the top. For a neat finish, add a round of slip stitches or a simple scallop edge or a small drawstring if you want it removable. Practice tension. Don't crochet too tight. If it is too tight, bottle won't fit. If it is too loose, looks sloppy. Relax your hands and keep stitches even. Try easy decorative touches. Add a small crochet flower, sew on a wooden pattern, attach a jute bow. Add a simple lace strip. Keep decoration small and elegant. Start with a small bottle. Practice on a small water bottle, a spice jar, a glass milk bottle. Smaller projects help you learn faster. Don't worry about perfection. Your first cover may not be perfect, and that is okay. Make a test swatch first. Before starting, crochet a small square, 10 to 15 stitches wide. This helps you understand your tension. Wash and dry it if you are using cotton. it can slightly change shape. This prevents sizing mistakes later. Count stitches every round. Uncommon beginner mistake is accidentally adding stitches, losing stitches. After each round, count your stitches to keep the shape even and straight. Use a slightly smaller hook for frame cover. If your cover feels too loose, try using a hook 0.5 mm smaller. This makes stitches tighter and more structured. Frame stitches look cleaner and more professional. Block your finished cover. Blocking makes your project look polished. Lightly tempt the cover. Place it over the bottle. Let it air dry. This shapes it perfectly and smooths uneven stitches. Add a simple handle for water bottles. Chain 25 to 40 stitches. Attach both ends to the top edge. It becomes cute and practical, perfect for everyday use. Don't make it too tall. Stop about 2 to 3 cm below the bottleneck. If it is too tall, it may curl or stray out of shape. Secure your ends properly. Beginners often cut ear too short. Don't weave in ends properly. Weave ends back and fold that last 3 times to prevent unrelieving. Choose the right bottle shapes, easier for beginners. Straight sides bottles. Use passengers, smooth cylindrical bottles. Avoid curved or narrow neck bottles at first. Try structured but simple patterns, always comfortable. Try back loop only rounds, simple shaping, front post or back post. Basic shell stitch. These add farmhouse charm without being too complicated. Keep a crochet journal. Write down hook size, yarn type, number of stitches, hot worked or hot did not. This helps you improve quickly and recreate designs later. Use a tight base circle. The base is very important. Make sure your starting circle is tight, especially if using a magic ring. If the center hole is loose, gently pull the tail to close it fully. A frame base makes the whole cover look professional. Don't wait until the end. Slide the cover onto the bottle every few rounds. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!